Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add Instagram button on a Facebook page. So in order to add an Instagram button on your Facebook page, you need to connect your Facebook page to Instagram. You can connect it with your Instagram account or Instagram, business account, or you can connect it with your Facebook. So I'm gonna go into the Facebook, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on my menu at the bottom right corner. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna see my professional dashboard. Click on it. Right, you're gonna see your basically analytics right here. How your account is, how your account performance or perform in that last 90 days or whatever. And click the settings gear at the top right here. And basically you're gonna see linked accounts, and just click on it basically and hit right here. As you can see, Instagram is not connected. Go ahead and click on it. Basically click connect and follow the on-screen instructions, and then continue to link your account and basically link your Facebook page, and basically confirm that you want to allow link history, and then confirm right here, and basically enter your Instagram username or email or phone number, and then enter the password, and then give them the authorization that you want to connect your Facebook page to Instagram, and that will show your Instagram button eventually. Alright, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.